Hello guys, this is Angel Biswas. Today I will show you how to make a die microphone stand at home with just using a normal PVC pipe like this. So no more waiting, just begin the show. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe to watch this kind of crafts videos and and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. So guys, at first you need obviously a microphone like this or any other kinds of microphones, and secondly you need a mount to attach it with any kind of stand, like see this, and a tape and a normal whiteboard marker or any kind of marker, permanent markers, any other markers, and a scissors and a normal foam and a normal PVC. So first you need to attach this mount with this PVC, but there is a problem. These holes and these holes are same, so I use this marker to attach it with this. So just push it easily, but see this is very loose, so you need to work this with this kind of foam or any kind of tapes, just like this, see, and then it will be tight. See, this is very tight, you need to push it very hardly, then use this mount, just round it, see, this is tight enough, then just attach it and you are done. So hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share. Thank you.